What up, guys? So in this video we're gonna check out another art installation by the artist Dries Depoorter on his website, which is driesdepoorter.be. So one of the art installation that he have is called the Flemish scrollers. So what is it? Automatically tagging Belgian politician when they use their phone on the daily live streams with the help of AI. So the Flemish government in Belgium, whenever they have a meeting, it is live streamed on YouTube. So when a live stream starts, the software is searching for phones and trying to identify a distracted politician, and this is done with the help of AI and face recognition. The video of the distracted politician are then posted to a Twitter and Instagram account with the politician tag. So that's very interesting, guys. Let's see how he done this. So let's see. So the software is written in Python and is using machine learning to detect phones and facial recognition to identify the politician. The software started running on July 5th, 2021. And if there's no live meeting, the software will, so if there's no live meeting, the software will check older uploaded videos on the YouTube channel. So he made a whole YouTube thing on this. Here we go.
The Flemish Scrollers is an art installation tagging Belgian politicians when they use their phone on the daily live streams. This is how it works. Every meeting of the Flemish government in Belgium is live streamed on a YouTube channel. When a live stream starts, the software is searching for phones and tries to identify a distracted politician. When a politician is too long on the phone, a video of the person is then posted to a Twitter and Instagram account with the politician tagged. This is all done with the help of artificial intelligence and face recognition. The Flemish Scrollers was featured in important news outlets. A few Belgian politicians reacted in the media. The art installation was premiered on April 1st, 2022 in Lausanne, Switzerland. Please stay focused.
Alright, anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Flemish scroller, as you can see, this is some of the picture of the actual art installation. The Flemish scrollers. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So another interesting art installation by Dries Depoorter, which is and if you guys are familiar, he just recently did the Instagram one. This is before, so you have a similar thing to it because it uses AI and face recognition software. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys